Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please subscribe. Okay, for this week's video, I'm going to film my whole entire day of college. This video is kind of a day in the life of BCom aspirant. If you guys are excited, so make sure to drop a thumbs up right now and let's get this video started. Let's go. Guys, I'm super late because it is around 8:55 and my class will start at 9 and I'm so late. I'm rushing right now. मेरी क्लास पक्का मिस हो जाएगी but I think I don't know how I'm gonna make it on time. I need to go to the first class.
Run.
Now the next part is going to be essentials of a contract of sale. The topic for the day is, please write down essentials of a contract of sale. उसके बाद आए things इंडिविजुअल, उसके बाद what मिले, इंडियो मिले, इंडियो मिले। ऐसा क्या है ऐसा कि एक टाइम आज नहीं हो गया फिर तो साल तक एक रेगुलर चल रहा है। जैसे मान लो अब हम जिस बात का he was very innovative and very he pioneered a lot of ways, especially psychological and scientific. And he was also known for writing essays. So El Dorado is basically an essay about the fact that how in life we are always running after something.
4252.
पूरे विषय में एक विषय लिखा था रहा हम सस्टेनेबिलिटी की बात करें तो हमारा यह माइंड क्लियर करता है कि हम किस तरह से सस्टेनेबिलिटी की बात करें। दूसरा
Then up to 4280.
4252.
4252. Parameters कुछ लिखो. What are the parameters of event? Parameters means कि how it is domain and name. Okay? कौन से फीचर्स को वेट करके बनाओ. That's what parameter. ठीक है? वो सारी
finally guys, I'm done with the classes and now I'm heading towards my home. By the way, the bus stop is like 1 hour far away from the college, so this is gonna be very tiring for me. Okay guys, so I finally made it to the home and it is around 5:10. You guys can see the day was very hectic. The lectures are back to back and there's a lot of stuff is going all around the college, and this is what college life is. And yeah, the day was not done. I have a lot of things to do. The first thing that I have to do is I have to write an assignment on e-banking, and then I have to submit it to the ma'am at 21st, and after that I have to go to the computer center for the diploma course of computer. This is what the day looks like of me. If I'll cook something, then I'll definitely vlog and show it to you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you guys made it till here, comment down these emojis and see you in next video guys. Bye bye.